Let's see what we can do. We got checkered flags. It is smoking red.
Something happened to that thing.
Same as the first run. A little bit of pop, a little banging going on there. $241.61 for smoking red.